magtatanong ko lang dito kayo ng comment regarding po sa sinabi po ni Congressman Jay Ponggun po na kung hindi lang daw po kayo maagang nag-ambisyon na mag-presidente, tahimik daw po ang lahat.
Unang-una, the presidency of 2022 was mine already. Nanalo na ako sa surveys, lahat ng tao solid na, united na for my candidacy. Pero I gave it away because I felt I had to do some other things other than being President of the Republic of the Philippines. Pangalawa, hindi ako yung nagsabi sa kanila na magbukas sila ng investigation or inquiry in aid of legislation that is more like a political persecution and harassment